Hey you my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Miss Nazlin. Please kindly subscribe on my channel, share my videos, like and comment. We have an interesting video today. Please sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. I don't know why I just feel restless. I just want to relax, but then again I have to. I really miss my parents, my brothers, sisters, my son. I do miss my family a lot, especially my son. We had that bond, and now he's at home. I'm in Nairobi. I traveled back, my people. And so on this day, I was at home cooking, or rather, preparing lunch for my family. And right there I was just jamming to a song, chit-chatting with my family as I prepare lunch for them. And I was preparing meat with ugali. They love my cooking. They love my cooking. When I'm at home, no resting at all. Like I have to cook them something. No matter what, I'll have to be in the kitchen like all the time, because oh my, they love my cooking. And so I was just preparing meat there, and as you can see, the onions, meat. I love first mixing onions with meat together with salt, to just make sure that everything marinates together and give that amazing flavor, that amazing taste. You people, yeah. And yeah, you can see it already looks appetizing, right? And ndo tunaanza tu sasa, ndo tunaanza. I love making sure that my meat is golden brown, and yeah, it gives me the best results. So from this to that, tomato mixture together with the broth. The broth is that water that remains while you've done boiling your meat, like so. And yeah, it gives you the best results, my people. And my meat was ready. My people, Miss Nazin here, and I'm back again. Not again, but it is a continuation of this video. And I'm traveling, as you can see. I don't Giza. Yeah, I think so. Giza imeingia, and I'm traveling tonight. I'm so happy, and at the same time I'm so sad because I'm leaving my son away. But I have the best mom, I have the best dad, I have the best siblings, and I don't want to worry because he's in the safest hands, I know. And I just pray that everything goes on well, that unajua tukuwa tumebond. So I'm just praying that atakuwa sawa with some, after some few days atakuwa sawa, hata mimi nitakuwa okay. And yeah, tutakuwa tuna communicate and all that. And yeah, as you can see, I'm preparing, I'm packing my bags, ready to leave tonight. And yeah, see you in Nairobi. I'm coming, and wish me journey masses. Yeah, tufike Nairobi vizuri. And yeah, this is just the continuation of this video. Tupatane Nairobi. Msimind kelele za hapo nje, kuna kids and people around. So yeah. OMG, what was happening here? It's not what to think, my people. I was feeling so cold, na sikubeba hata shuka. So the only option I had was that trouser, and so I had to put on, like, it's inside here to cover the legs. I had no socks. Can you imagine that? I was traveling, na sikuwa nimejipanga hapo. Oh my god, the cold was colding, and I had no other option but do that. And it really helped me, by the way. That hack was really amazing. Hey you my beautiful people, Miss Nazlin manze, nilifika poa, and I thank God. Nilifika kama nimelala. I was so tired. The journey was too long, And yeah, nilifika poa. I really thank God for the journey mercies. I'm now at my place and I feel so happy. So this is just an update to tell you, my people, that nilifika poa. And yes, I thank ready to step out, but nasikia nimechoka, nasikia tu uvivu ya kutoka nje. I don't know why. I just feel restless. I just want to relax, but then again, I have to step out. I want to go run some few errands. Lakini nasikia nimechoka, sisikii kutoka. I don't feel like going out, but I'll have to. Who else is like me? Like you get ready, umaliza kuprepare, ready to get out, and then moods zina change, mwili nasikia tu kuchoka, alafu je imewaka huku nje. Oh my god. But I'll have to go and run my errands, then come back. Hadi sijakula, imagine, and it's almost 4 p.m. Can you imagine that? Nasikia tu nimechoka. I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to relax and oh my god. I just pray that sitakuwa mgonjwa, because when this happens inakuwa signs of me getting sick, but no, I'm not gonna get sick. Sitaki kuwa mgonjwa in Jesus mighty name. Nataka tu afya nzuri, and yeah, so I'll have to push myself to go. I'll just have to. Beautiful people, I pushed myself to go out, ran my errands, and nikirudi nika purchase hizi like the fruits, chakula ya sapa sahi. I need to get these ripe bananas, mango ni season ya mango, lazima tu blend juice, lazima tukule mangoes, yeah, tukue na ngozi nyororo. Then for my supper, I'm gonna cook this minji with rice, pearl rice. I'm craving for that, and I got this Delamere strawberry yogurt, yeah. Then of course my Fanta passion. Then I was craving for this cake with icing sugar, and yeah, I'm gonna scoop that and enjoy. Then these grapes over here, then the Irish potatoes. Coming here ni tomatoes and onions. So those are the only things that I've purchased, and you can push for 3 to 2 days, 2-3 days before I go ahead and do my monthly shopping. I thought I should let you know these, yeah, what I purchased, because I told you I am gonna go out and run my errands, some errands, and I thank God nimepata nguvu nikatoka nje. Yeah, what I want to do right now is cook the Irish potatoes mixed with this minji, then with rice. I can't wait for my food to be ready for me to just enjoy, because I'm so hungry, my people. Yeah,